Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and Happy New Year. I hope you guys all had a great time bringing in 2020 last night and putting together some good New Year's resolutions. Mine is to eat better and kind of get back in shape and spend more time with family and extended family. So let me know in the comment box below what you guys are doing for your New Year's resolutions. That way we can help each other and support each other to make sure that that comes to fruition for 2020. Hopefully, one of your resolutions is to save more money and have more disposable income to be able to use for other things. So if that is the case, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos for new savings, how to save, and where the best deals are. So today, we're going to be doing the Walgreens ad preview for next week. These deals are going to start Sunday, January 5th. So I got this ad preview from iHeartWags.com. Photo credit goes to Charlie_AKA at Instagram. We are also getting 5 coupon inserts in our Sunday paper, so I'm super excited about that. We're getting a couple Smart Source and a couple Retail Me Not. So typically when we have this many coupons, there should be quite a few printable coupons available. I checked Checkout 51. It's another reward app that I use. I haven't seen many new rebates on that app. Saving Star does have quite a few good rebates that we will be using for next week. One is on the emergency, so make sure you guys activate that. Then on the Simply and Simply Kind to Skin products, make sure you activate. There should be about 3 or 4 rebates in your app. So make sure you guys activate that for next week. So let's go ahead and dive in. So on the front of the page, it's going to be the same thing for the next couple of weeks for a lot of the health supplements and vitamins. They are buy one, get one free this coming week. Buy one, get one half off on the emergency. There is a printable coupon available right now on coupons.com. So make sure you print off a couple of those. We might be able to put together a pretty good deal on at Walgreens. I'll check CVS as well in the CVS ad preview and see, of course, where would be the best deal. And I will be posting my must-do deals for CVS and Walgreens for you guys tomorrow. Over here, deals of the week, all laundry detergent, really good deal. Liquid and the power packs, they're $2.99, just $1.99 with a $1 off coupon. There is going to be a digital version, and then there's going to be some in the Sunday papers. The Scott products and the Kleenex facial tissue, the 3 or 4 pack, they all are going to have a $1.25 off in that new Walgreens savings booklet. So they're at the front of the store if you're new to couponing at Walgreens, right next to the Walgreens ads. So they're free. Make sure you guys pick one of those up. They are available for digital versions as well, but it's always good to have that just in case as a backup in case the digitals are not coming off. At Walgreens, we all know, for those who shop there quite often, some of the digitals don't work. I don't know why. They can't seem to get those taken care of, but having the paper version of the Walgreens coupons is never going to hurt. So Garnier Fructis, $2.99. There is a $1 off coupon. It makes it just $1.99. So not too bad of a deal. We usually get Garnier for like 50 cents each or sometimes free at both CVS and Walgreens. But if you need that, definitely not a bad price point. Welch's Fruit Snacks, 2 for $3 with a $1 off coupon. That's not a bad deal. More snack deals here, nothing really too exciting. Some more food deals here, buy one, get one free on Ore-Ida and Heinz ketchup, so that's not a bad deal. Oh, come on. Okay, let's go to the next page. Some candy deals. If you guys need to stock up on any candy. The Fairlife milk is going to be 2 for $7 again. There is still $1 off coupons on coupons.com. So you can print off 2 of those. That makes it just 2 for $5, which is not a bad deal, $2.50 each. Same deal as on the Silk Pure Almond. There's just no printable coupons for that. So that would be just the 2 for $7. Orbit, 99 cents, not a bad deal. Especially if you need any filler items, keep those in mind because they're very Very cheap items, just 99 cents. So you can use that if you need to add a register reward to attach to a product that does not have a coupon. So that would be a good item to use because it's only 99 cents. 2 for $3.99 combos, 2 for $5 Doritos and Lay's. Better deal for these is usually at CVS with the 3 off 10 food CRT that I know a lot of us get. So that would be a better deal. Okay, so now some laundry items. The Gain Liquid 100 ounces. It's going to be just $8.99 with a $1 off coupon. Not a horrible price point, but we usually do better with these when we're pairing it with a 5 off 25 at either Family Dollar or Dollar General, or if it's included at CVS with the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal, we get it for a lot lower price point. But I know a lot of people are very brand loyal to Gain, so if you do need some, still not a bad deal. Clorox products and Pine Sol, 2 for $4 with a $1 off coupon on 2. So you have to buy 2 products to get that price point and to use that coupon. Angel Soft, $3.49, Charmin, nothing too crazy there. Okay, nothing really fun on this page, just some like gift items. They're already starting to stock the shelves with Valentine's Day, of course, because that is about a month and a half away. So that's why they're having a lot of clearance on all the Christmas items at Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, so they can make room for all the Valentine's Day gifts and chocolates and flowers, things like that. Here are vitamins. If you need any vitamins or you want any new vitamins for the new year, anything like that, it shows you there are some coupon savings for all of these that are going to be available. We'll be getting a lot in our inserts as well. So if you guys want to pick up some inserts, I would definitely recommend at least 1 paper. So you'd get the 5 inserts. There's going to be a lot of good food deals, things like that, especially if you pair it with BOGO at Publix, can make for a really good deal. You can use a coupon on the free item at Publix, whereas Walgreens, you cannot use a coupon on a free item. So more vitamins here, just gonna kind of keep going through. Okay, here is some medicine for you guys. $2.99 with a $3 off coupon for Robitussin and Advil. Not a bad deal. There was a Saving Star rebate for the Robitussin and Advil quite a while ago. I'm not sure if it's still available if you haven't used yours yet. I used mine right when it came available, and they are one-time rebates. So mine's not available still, but if it is for you, that would be a pretty good deal to take advantage of. It's still cold and flu season, so it's always good to stock up on some additional medicines to keep around the house. Let's see, nothing too crazy here. Get a $10 Visa reward card when you spend $30 or more excluding tax on participating products, and this goes through the entire month. It ends February 1st. So that is not a bad deal there. If you want to pick up a couple of these, a lot of Tylenols are included. You'd get a $10 Visa reward card, and then you can obviously use that, you know, to pay down your out-of-pocket if you're doing a spend deal or anything like that. So let's see, on this page, more medicines. Miralax is $16.99 with a $3 off coupon. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. Halls, same deal going on the current week. So they're 2 for $5. They'd be 2 for $4 with the $1 off coupon. There is checkout 51 has a $1 off as well, a rebate. So your final cost would be just $1.50 each. So not bad to stock up on some Halls. Nothing really going on this page. Almost done, just a couple more pages. They are going to be quite long ads again because it's the new year. There's a ton more sales and deals going on. And of course, with all those different coupons that are coming available. Usually the last page has some good deals as well as the first page because they want to keep you guys intrigued for the entire ad. So Venus and Shave, Gillette Shave, buy one, get one half off, $5 register reward when you spend $20. Not the best deal. Sometimes we'll spend 20, get 10,000 points, which is awesome. Mitchum deodorant, lady or men, $1.99 with coupon, $5 reward when you spend 15. So you'd be getting quite a few for $15. Bic is going to be a pretty good deal. There are some, it says with card, Bic disposable razors 2-pack to 12-pack. So depending on which ones are included, if you go to bic.com for the coupons, they do have $2 off on the Bic. I think it's the Bic Comfort Flex and the Bic Silky Touch. So that could make for a pretty good deal because you're getting 3,000 points back when you buy 2. Secret and Old Spice, buy one, get one half off, 4,000 points when you buy 4. Crest 3D White or Oral-B Dental Care. It's going to be those toothbrushes, the toothpaste, or the smaller 500 milliliter Crest mouthwash. They are $2.99 with the $1 off coupon. $4 register reward when you buy 2. So final cost would be $1 out of pocket each. Really not a good price point if you guys need that. I mean, it's always good to stock up if you guys are needing some toothpaste. $1 is better than $4, but we usually get that for free or 50 cents. So I would kind of hold off on that if you don't need it.
What about the cheese on it? You want cheese on here?
Yes, please. Okay. Vaseline, we are getting a $2 off coupon, buy one, get one half off. We usually have better deals on this kind of stuff at CVS because we'll usually get an extra buck deal or something like that. Sometimes we'll get a points deal on the Vaseline, but all of these I would kind of stay away from except for this, Simple St. Ives and Pond's. So they're 25% off. $3 off with card on 2, and then $2 back when you buy 2. So that could be a good deal. I think CVS is doing a deal on Simply as well. When you combine that with the different rebate apps that we have, it's going to make for a really, really good deal. Okay, some more beauty items. Sorry, this one's a little torn here. L'Oreal Elvive. Online coupon. There's a store coupon, so an IVC coupon from that coupon Walgreens booklet at the front of the store. It's $2 off. It's $1 off each. And then there's a 3 off 2 online. It's also printable on coupons.com right now, so make sure you guys print a few of those. Final cost 2 for $3. Not a bad deal there. Revlon or Almay, we're supposed to be getting coupons, so definitely a good time to stock up on some inserts. If you don't want to buy all of the different inserts, you can purchase individually clipped coupons at clip2save.com or the couponmarketplace.com. Those will both be linked in the description box of all my videos. So if you ever need to know where to go to buy 1 or 2 coupons, you guys can do that as well. And last page, Oreos, $1.99, not a bad deal. Simply or Downy, I definitely need to stock up on some fabric softener. So they are going to be just $1.99 with a $1 off coupon. So super hot deal. There's no register reward or anything. You guys can do this as many times as you want, depending on the limit of the coupons. Colgate, $3.99 or $4 register reward when you buy 2. I'm not sure what Colgate coupons we're getting, but there is the $1 off coupon for the Colgate Optic White on Colgate.com or 75 cents off of the Colgate Total or Colgate Max. So it just depends on which ones are included. If we get those $1 off coupons, that would still be, what, $6 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward. So again, you're spending $1 each. I would hold off on that. We've been getting a ton better oral care deals, but this Tide and Downy, I would definitely stock up on that. $5 register reward when you buy 2 Almay or Revlon cosmetics. This can be a super hot deal because we have both Revlon and Almay coupons, I believe, coming in the insert. Dove, $5.99 each, so not a bad price point. I think they're usually like $7.49 at Walgreens. And then $3 back when you buy 3. So I'm not sure if there's any coupons or anything. It doesn't mention it. But if there are some coupons, then that could make for a good deal. And that is everything. So these are all the deals going on next week. There are quite a few good deals. I will be putting them together in my must-do deals that I will be posting for you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.